What's going on YouTube? It's Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2010 Jeep Liberty. Okay, that's what the filters look like. Small filters. So you're gonna come on over here to the passenger side glove box, pull this down. You got a tab here, and this is just as simple as taking this, pulling it out the way. Same thing on this side, pull it out the way. Glove box drops right down, just like so. And then it's right in here. You got a clip on this side. For some reason this is already down, but it's supposed to be clipped in just like that. So you push this tab out while pulling up here. Same thing on the other side. And you got the cabin filter right in there. Let me get a pocket screwdriver. Pocket screwdriver. Get a pocket screwdriver in here to pry that on out of there. And she is filthy. And then you got one in there to the side. You get a little pocket screwdriver to pry that one on over. And then pull it out the same exact way. So those are that two, and you can see airflow is pointed down. So you're gonna want to install these with the arrow pointed down as well, but just like that. So basically, you take one, you slide it in the hole, and then you push that one over to the right. And you take this other one, you put that one in there, and slide it back. And that's how you install the cabin filter. You just put that clip right back in place. Move these really filthy other ones. Lift this on up and slides right back in place. Glove box closes. And that is how you install a cabin filter on a 2010 Jeep Liberty. If I helped you guys out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and have a good day.